This is not a boost gauge, it's a Tach. And I got this low profile mount. All right, so I put like a loom on it and now it looks way better. So I'm gonna mount it right there. And then the wire is gonna go right down through that vent. It came with this double-sided adhesive. You have to cut the adhesive and fit it to here. So you kind of get to like shape it your own way, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this up right now, stick it on here, wipe down the dash with this alcohol pad that it comes with. So these are all the pieces I cut up and I put them on each part. And now we're gonna put the gauge in there, stick it on, and then it's time to do some wiring. Oh my God, I almost just dropped it. It's gonna be right there. It's hard to see, it's tinted, that's why. Wiring harness is gonna go through there. $20-something years of dirt getting off right now. Bruh. Yeah, I think it looks really cool. I like GlowShift gauges, the way they look, especially how they're tinted and all black like that. AAM has a gloss to it. This has like a matte finish. You can see. So yeah, I like it, man. I mean, we have different types of gauges in here, different mounts, you know, just a cool little style. It looks nice. I fed the wire from here underneath. It's ready. What happened last time is the Tach pickup, when you put it on one of the things, you have to set the tachometer to 1 cylinder. And I had both of them set at 4. So this one I'm gonna take it off, reset it, put it back to 1 cylinder. But I'm back here interrupting you guys because something just came just now. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but the car's gonna look a lot better with this. Just finished all the wiring. That's our switch power to the gauge. We have our ground added right there, a constant power added in, and then our signal wire is hooked up underneath that. Nothing's hanging except that, which you can't see when you're sitting in the car. Dude, that was so cool. I did not know it did a sweep. That was so cool. It does a sweep. That is the coolest thing. And they have a mode too where it flips between colors. Like I'd run that on my Jenny. Looks kind of weird though. I might run blue or red. Anyway, I'm gonna show you that's the mode right there. That's freaking sick, especially in this car. That's so sick. And then we'll open the garage, start the car up, and see if it works. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see. So I'm going to take the gauge out again and set it to 4 cylinders. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I'm tired. It's the next day. Yesterday we didn't get to get the Tach working, but right now I'm about to change it to 4 cylinder and hopefully that'll fix everything. So I just changed the gauge to 4 cylinder. I don't know, I'm gonna change it from ignition coil 4 to ignition coil 1 and see if that does anything. I have it on ignition coil 1. That didn't work. on the actual pickup that I have, the two tabs are supposed to like fold over each other, and in the picture it shows them touching. They were never touching. So I made sure it's still on the first ignition coil, but I made sure to make sure they were touching this time. It's gonna work because they're touching this time.
Yes, what did I tell you? I told you it was gonna work.
RPM gauge actually works. Now we finally have a tach. You guys can finally see what's in this box. Yo! This looks sick. Oh, this looks so sick. This is the difference, the old one versus the new one. You can see the new one has a way cleaner look. It's a tad bit thinner, it's taller, and it's shorter. I ended up having to do zip ties on the bottoms, fold the tabs up, and then zip ties through the fins on this part, and then to the rad supports. Like, this new intercooler looks so sick, just the way it's set up and everything. This is awesome. We got the little tach pickup down and push below, and the wire just runs back through here. That's that gray wire. What's good, guys? I'm on my MacBook camera just to do a little outro because I forgot to film one. I'm waiting on parts. You guys, there's more stuff coming in. So make sure you guys sub if you're not subbed. If you watched all the way to this part of the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I appreciate the new subscribers. We're gonna keep making videos, and I'll see you guys next time.
Fights all night long. That's Dano.